I really had a great experience with home design. I just moved back to the country and I needed to get some work done on redoing my kitchen on a house that I just built. So I went around and got bids from about 6 different companies. HomeDesign came down in the right place, and they were great as far as coming up with a good design that met my needs for a small kitchen, working with me on the color scheme, and then getting their guys into my house and starting to do work on everything to get me a great new kitchen. They were awesome to work with. They were very communicative. They came up with ideas while they were working that actually helped make the project a better project than what it would have been if I'd done it on my own. So I had a great experience, and I would highly recommend other folks to work with them.